Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today video title is guys Infinix phone guys phone system sound setting guys. How can we on and how can we use it? Friends, we want to use guys other sound means guys your phone all system sound settings. So how can you use today friends? I will show you. I will tell you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, open your phone setting guys, and guys scroll it, and then click on my phone sound and vibration guys, tap here. So when scroll again friends, you can see other sound and vibration setting guys. You can use from here guys. You can see dial pad tone, screen lock sound, phone charging sound, touch sound and touch vibration. So once you want to get your phone dial pad, so guys you can use guys on your dial pad guys, when you will enter number. So guys you can use guys your dial pad setting from here. So guys we will on it guys. So as you can see guys, if you enter a number in your dial pad, so you can use guys this sound from here. And then second guys lock screen sound guys, when you will lock your phone guys, and guys when you will unlock your phone, you can use guys this background guys, the lock screen sound guys, you can on and you can use from here. Third is guys phone charging sound and vibration guys, when you will charge your phone, so guys you can use guys this phone charging sound. Hence you can see touch sound. So guys, as you know guys, touch sound means guys when we will tap on any button and guys any icon guys the setting. So guys you can use guys this phone tap sound. The touch sound guys you can use from here in your Infinix phone device. So guys last guys you can see touch vibration guys, you can use guys your phone touch vibration guys, when you will use guys your phone keyboard and guys any setting guys, when you will press on any icon, so guys you can use guys the setting touch sound setting from here. So like you get other sound and vibration setting guys, you can on get this all sound and you can use. And once you want to off guys, it's your choice guys, you don't want to phone charging sound, touch vibration sound, lock screen sound and dial pad guys you want to keep on, so guys you can keep on and once you can use it. So like the guy we can use guys system sound setting guys, and we can on and we can off it. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video guys.